Hi, I'm Mike Curry. I'm Director of Software Engineering at Fundwell. We are a business financing platform that connects businesses from all over the US to the financial products that they need. Our content and files are a big part of the way we run our business. We love to use Box, and it's a very important part of our day-to-day operations. Before we had Box in the picture, we were in the traditional mode of managing our content, which for a lot of the industry is really just emailing files back and forth, having spreadsheets sort of all over the place. And when we're talking about the financial world, when you're underwriting deals, having an organized structure is imperative to the way that the business has to be run. Box as a platform has enabled us to really have a lot more control, security, and automation on how we manage our files. When we're coming in to underwrite a new deal, we have to collect bank statements from the business in order to complete the underwriting process. And so from the very beginning of that process, we are going to be putting the bank statements right into Box. The security and the compliance aspect is really appealing because throughout the whole life cycle of the deal, all the files are staying in Box. There's a lot of really important regulations, especially in the financial space, like FINRA, for example, where you always have to be conscious of what platforms you're bringing into your tech stack to make sure that you're meeting those compliance standards. And with Box, having all of those certifications built into the platform really alleviates the anxiety that you might have around, oh, is this going to be compliant if I add this into the system? Knowing that when you integrate Box, you will be fully compliant is a great peace of mind. I think one of the most remarkable things is how Box AI has transformed the speed of which we're able to take a deal from start to finish. We're doing a process previously that took, several hours. That process now happens in just minutes. We've been able to basically grow the inbound volume of the company by 31% without increasing back office headcount at all. That's really been a phenomenal result and really a testament to how powerful Box AI can be. With Box in our platform, we're set up now to grow, to meet the needs of our customers, and we're so glad to have Box along with us on this journey.